Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to the Chinese Bite. Today I'm so excited to finally share my first long form video with you. I'm making one of my absolute favorites, a fresh tomato and chicken stir fry. Let's get started by getting our ingredients ready. First, we have got to make sure everything is clean. I'm rinsing the chicken and the rice thoroughly. Clean ingredients are the secret to a great meal. While the rice gets started, I'm going to prep our aromatics. There's nothing like the smell of fresh garlic and ginger hitting a hot pan. Now for the prep, I'm dicing up some fresh chilies for a bit of a kick and then moving on to these beautiful tomatoes. These are going to break down and create a rich savory sauce for our chicken. Next, I'm deboning and dicing the chicken into bite-sized pieces so they cook quickly and stay juicy. Now is the time for the best part, the wok. We will start by searing the chicken until it's golden brown. Listen to that sizzle. Once the chicken is ready, we add in our tomatoes and aromatics. You can see the sauce starting to form already. It smells incredible in here. I'm adding in my secret blend of seasonings now, including a little starch water to thicken that sauce up just right. We want it to coat every single piece of chicken. Look at that color. It's perfectly balanced, sweet, savory, and a little bit spicy. Alhamdulillah, and there we have it. My first meal is served. I'm pairing it with that fluffy white rice we started earlier. It looks so tempting. If you enjoyed joining me in the kitchen today, please hit the like button and subscribe to see what I cook next. Thanks for being part of my journey. Now let's eat.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah.